My name is Ayesha Abdeen. I'm one of the orthopedic surgeons here at the Beth Deaconess Medical Center. I specialize in hip and knee replacement surgery. My area of expertise is minimally invasive surgery such as direct anterior approach hip replacement, partial knee replacement, and I also specialize in complex revision surgeries for the hip and knee. I see patients with hip and knee arthritis, which means they have damaged cartilage in their joints. And this spans the spectrum from patients in their teenage years all the way up into their 90s. The vast majority of patients that need joint replacement surgery are in their 50s, 60s, and 70s. But arthritis is afflicting patients at much younger ages. And so we are seeing patients in their 20s, 30s, and 40s requiring joint replacement. My philosophy of care is to take patients and get them back to doing the activities that they love to do. And I like to take a tailored approach that's unique to each individual. So for example, there are patients that want to get back on the golf course or playing tennis and ski, and there are others that have to get back to the workforce so they can support their family. And still others simply want to get rid of their knee pain so they can get on the floor and play with their grandkids. And so it's about tailoring the patient's needs toward their treatment. Some patients want to go the non-operative route, and we prescribe physical therapy, injections, anti-inflammatory medications. There are patients that want to explore a more alternative approach and add things like acupuncture, meditation, or Reiki therapy to their treatment to mitigate their pain. And others want to go straight to surgery. So it really is about tailoring the treatment to the patient. What I love most about being a hip and knee replacement surgeon is that we can do one intervention and really affect positive change on someone's life. So by replacing someone's hip or knee, I can take that person out of pain and back in motion. And I think that's one of the most rewarding things about my job.